everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, this is it. We're going to find out who is the lucky winner of the Hubsan ZINO Mini Pro. This one right here. So it's brand new in the box, and one of you lucky viewers is going to win it. If you entered the contest, of course, which was about a week ago, and today is the day I'm picking a winner. So in this box, can I still see my head? In this box, you get the drone, you get 2 batteries, you get the controller, you get a battery charger that does 4 batteries, a case to carry it around in, and some instructions and odds and ends and accessories, extra props and other things. Also, the winner is going to get some CaptainDrone stickers right here because I'm the one who's going to mail this off to the winner. So what I'm going to do right now is I've already taken the plastic off. You can see the drone is new in the box in there, still in the wrapping, and I'm going to put the stickers in the, let's see, you can see it right here. So whoever's going to win this, the next time this box is opened is hopefully not by customs, but by you, the winner. So CaptainDrone stickers are going right there, pile of them. Close this up and let's pick a winner. All right, so take a look at my laptop and you can see the YouTube contest that you would have entered, and I'm going to scroll up. There's the contest questions. I'm going to go over to my other tab. I'm going to show you what the time is right now in Ottawa, Ontario, where I live. So right now it says it's 10:09:47 a.m. and it is Tuesday, October the 5th, and I'm about to pick a winner. So let's go back to the contest, read the questions, and then see if you have the right questions and if you entered correctly. So here we go. So question number 3. If you buy a drone from the RC Going website, do you have to pay taxes on the product if you live in the US or Europe? The answer is at this website. So I'm going to go to the website, and there it is, right over there on the right. You do not have to pay taxes on products shipped to Europe or the United States. That's why RC Going is pretty cool. Also, RC Going is a type of place that pretty much only sells drones. So if you do have a drone question or a question with your product, you can ask them a question. Unlike other sites like Banggood, they sell everything from women's underwear to drones. So if you ask them a drone question, they don't have a clue what you're talking about. Question number 4. CaptainDrone uses this landing pad in most of his videos. This landing pad has a different color on each side, and it's true, I have a pile of these landing pads because I love them. You can see footprints and dirt all over. So it's blue on one side, orange on the other. So that's it, blue and orange. And if you go to the site, here we go. It's a PGY Tech one, and it shows you right there. It's blue and orange. So if you have blue and orange, then you are correcto. Last question. What is the maximum flight time of the soon-to-be-released 4K Hubsan ZINO Mini SE? You know I'm going to have one of those for review. I think RC Going sent me one of those. At least they sent me an email, said, we sent you one. I hope you don't mind. I'm like, yeah, I don't mind. Sure, send it. I'll review it. It's basically just a stripped-down version of this one. So let's go find that. Because they took out the obstacle avoidance on the SE version, it doesn't use up a lot of power, and they took out other sensors. So it gets like right on the title, it says 45 minutes of flight time. All right, so now the easy part, let's pick a winner. So I'm just going to copy the URL from my video, and I'm going to go to the YouTube random comment generator picker thinger, stick it in here, and then this next part always takes a bit where it says get your YouTube comments. I'm just going to click on that. At the bottom, it's going to take a while because it has to go through all the comments below the video and gather them together. There's usually over 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 or 4,000. So it takes a while. So pause and come back and see me. Okay, there we go. Amount of unique comments is 3,661. So that means it's taken out the duplicates or people who have entered more than once. I should also mention that I did mention earlier on in the contest that I would change the questions partway through. Well, I've been so busy. I have a day job, and I've been so busy with my day job. I haven't even got to drone videos that much, so I'm just sort of trying to get everything done. So I had no time to do any of that. Anyways, so there we go. Now it comes to the easy part, and this part here, there's all these ads at the bottom, and I want to get, there's an ad right there. Nail your competitor's analysis. I try to get rid of those ads when I'm hitting the start button because they mess up the whole contest. So anyways, I'm going to go over here. Oh, good. It's come back. So I'm going to hit the start button, and we're going to see who the winner is. So I'm looking at you, you're looking at me, and I'm clicking on the start button with my finger right now. There we go, going through. Who's going to be the winner? Who is the winner? Cassidy from United States. So no taxes. Colors are orange and blue, which is correct right here. And 45 minutes the max flight time. So Cassidy Pointer, as long as you are a subscriber to my channel, you have yourself a new Hubsan ZINO Mini Pros. So you will be one excited guy, plus CaptainDrone stickers, don't forget that. So I'm just going to say a quick thank you. I've got to get to the office, so I'm going to say a quick thank you to RC Going. Thanks for providing this so I can give it away. Yes, it's up to me to mail it to the winner. So Cassidy, it might take a while to get to you because I'm pretty slow getting to the post office. And yes, it is going by post and not courier because I got to mail it the cheapest way. So you'll get that soon. I'm going to get in contact with you and get all your details. But to everyone who entered, thank you very much. There's going to be more giveaways in the future as we get close to Christmas. And also I'm going to try to give away CaptainDrone stickers again. Hopefully that comes through just like I did last year. So everybody can get a sticker. Doesn't cost you anything. You just send me an email and I send you a sticker. But wait until I get to that. Don't send me an email now because I'll just ignore you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And thanks for entering. Until the next contest. Take care. Bye.